So, this is Amir plastic welding. This is off the pool table, and unfortunately, most of them, or 5 of them, were cracked. I think there's only one.
Only
one good one. So he's just kind of getting some plastic molded across with this soldering iron. He's just used the tape there to hold it together. So all of them were pretty bad. I think we had one. I don't even know where that one is. It's still over there. So all 5 of them were busted, and they were in this kind of condition. You can see a big hole in it. So Amir, as a system, so what he does is he uses welding wire, and then he lays the welding wire on top, and then heats the welding wire with a 12-volt battery, and then it goes into the plastic itself. So it kind of inlays itself into the plastic and makes it strong. So I'll show you exactly how he does it. So here's the battery. There's just a positive and a negative on the 12-volt battery.
Yeah.
So now, and then he just heats this up. Look, you see how it heats up, and then slowly, and then you push it in as it gets hot. You see how he's pushing it into the really great. You see that? And then what that's doing is that's giving it structure on the side. What we're intended to do when we recover the table is put some of the spare felt inside, because the balls thud down with a hell of a bang. So you can see how it looks. That's just the start. You see how that's molded that together, and then you can use some spare black to pop in there, but it's strong. This one here, this was really, you can see there, it's as solid as a rock now, look. Perfect.
This one is not with hole like here.
This one was, yeah. So this one here, this is how this one was. You can see it's been molded in there. And then what we'll do is put the felt inside, which will help. They're down inside the pocket, so it's no big deal. And brilliant though. I mean, it works a treat.
It works.
Was it? And it was on. You found it somewhere.
I see somewhere.
Some hack somewhere. So,
but short video.
But how clever is that? I mean, it really works. It heats up and it goes through. And Chris does it. What it's doing is it's giving it some structure as well.
Yeah.
Because the glue isn't enough. As soon as a ball hits that, it's going to shatter again. So, I tried to buy them. I went to the place for the felt, because I wanted to put orange felt on the pool table to mix with to go with the golf colours, but we're not sure about that yet. But we can get felt, and that's what we'll do. I think we'll actually line these so that the ball doesn't go down with such a thud. Anyway, so there it is. This is the man that came up with it. So send your contributions for the idea to Amir at PO Box whatever.